For today, the status or efficacy of government's Walang Gutom was a tad much to be desired. Hence, to give it a little more zip, the program's been boosted or reinforced by a sub-initiative dubbed Refuel, which subsidizes beneficiaries of the WGP with 1,500 pesos to buy 3 particular food groups to nourish them better. Our Clazel Pardilla has more on how much goes to what in this story.
For Gwenda Los Santos, every day is a struggle to put food on the table, caring not only for her 2-year-old child, but also her 3 younger siblings after losing their parents. Her family's daily meals depend on the income from her small store and her husband's work as a junk collector.
Araw-araw naman po talaga na problema yung pagkain. Kasi po yung minsan po nasi-short, minsan po 2 beses di na kami nakakapag-amusal, ganun po.
To help Gwen and poor food families in the country, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. led the launch of Refuel, or Reducing Food Insecurity and Undernutrition with Electronic Vouchers project in Manila City. This is part of the Department of Social Welfare and Development's Walang Gutom program. Beneficiaries' electronic benefit transfer cards were reloaded with 3,000 pesos worth of food credits, 1,500 pesos for carbohydrates like rice, 900 pesos for proteins such as meat, and 600 pesos for vegetables.
Titiyakin namin na may sapat na pagkain at bukod pa ron ay titiyakin natin na tama po ang kinakain po ninyo para balansyado po ang tinatawag na balanced diet. Sana naman magawa natin na pag-alis ko bilang Pangulo ay wala nang gutom na Pilipino.
For Gwen, the difference is clear.
Pero ngayon po kahit papano, nakakaraos na po kami sa araw-araw tapos sobra pa po. Lumusog po sila, mas nadagdagan po yung mga timbang nila. Lahat
po sa benepisyaryo natin, bumaba na po ang gutom. Noong Oktubre, nung nakaraang na taon, ay 48.7%. Ang numerong yan ay bumaba na po at naging 41.5% itong Marso ng 2025. Palagay ko, pagkatapos ng taon, makikita natin mas bababa pa.
The DSWD is further improving the program through its beneficiary app, which shows redemption schedules, wallet balance, and transaction history. The app also allows the DSWD to monitor food purchases and work closely with farmers groups.
Para matulungan natin sila ma-target kung ano yung kanilang mga itatanim para hindi nasasayang. Para masigurado natin na shoot from farm to the table of our food poor families.
Currently, 300,000 families benefit from the Walang Gutom program, a number expected to reach 600,000 by year-end. By 2026, the government will allocate 24 billion pesos to sustain and expand the program. Clazel Pardilla from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.